stretch. Be capable of being made longer or wider without tearing or breaking. I stretch my arms and legs after waking up. Yoga is a great way to stretch your body. Get up. Rise from bed after sleeping. I normally get up at 7:45. What time do you get up? Water the plants. To pour water onto plants or soil that they are growing. I water the plants in the garden regularly. I decided to water the plants every other day. Get dressed. To put on clothes. I get dressed when I wake up. He went into his bedroom to get dressed. Take a shower. To wash oneself in the shower. I am going to take a shower. She decided to take a shower before dinner. Take a nap. To sleep for a short time. My cat always takes a nap on the cushion. I am tired, so I'm going to take a nap. Do the laundry. To wash the dirty clothes. I do the laundry on Sundays. His wife said she would go do the laundry. Commute. To travel regularly between work and home. He commutes to work every day by train. She commutes 400 miles a week. Take a break. To stop something for a short period. The workers will take a break for lunch. If you feel tired, stop and take a break.